Morning guys, this is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. Actually it's not good morning, it's good day. It's a good day or good evening because it's around past 3. So let's go straight to our weekly analysis. We'll start with NASDAQ. See, let's see that. So I hope you're having a very nice day. It's weekend, so tomorrow it's Monday. I hope everyone is still refreshing, everyone is still preparing everything. So even today we have to do the same thing. We have to prepare or have a very nice analysis for the coming week, you see. So actually not for only tomorrow, for the whole week, Monday to Friday. So here we had like a very bullish momentum, which is very nice. It's what I like, because when you see the market going up, just know that I'm just making cash. You see why? Because I just buy. I buy only. So here the bigger picture is, you can see the market is pushing up. I don't like this color. You can see the market is you can see the market is pushing up, you see. But remember when you see this crazy moves like this, expect something like this. When you see moves like this, expect something like this. When you see crazy moves like this, expect something like that. I don't know where this will happen, but I know that somewhere around, or let's say maybe around 15,500, we can expect maybe another sell-off. You see, that is how the market operates, guys. Don't just expect the market to go crazy. Don't just expect the market to go high for no reason. The market has to breathe. If you run for some time, you can see this is a very nice run. Sometimes you have to breathe, run, breathe, or you can just call that maybe to take a break. You run, take a break, run, take a break, run, take a break. Actually, the market moves like that as a waves. So we have to know what we can expect this week, you see. So we have to go to a bit smaller time frame. I can see on a bigger time frame, I won't see much. If let's say maybe I try to draw my resistance lines here, still they won't really make sense unless if maybe I want to connect these two. Let's see. Sorry, I'm still recovering from my flu. Guys, it's not corona. It was just normal flu. It's just that these days when you catch a flu, sometimes you even panic because, you know. So here it's 4-hour time frame, guys. So what do we expect from this? I still expect the market to, I think the market can still push higher by the way things are. Why? Because the market is still very close to my support. So what I'm trying to say here is, you can see the market is, you can see when the market reached the support, the market moved away from my support, something like that. So the market is still very close here. So I think the market can reach around, maybe let's say we will reach like 5,200 this week. Before maybe we can see some rejections or consolidations or any other sell-off. Let's say, let me just put that on the chart. I expect the market to reach this area here, 15,200. I'm not saying that if the market doesn't reach here, you should come here and start. We just analyze is what I see. Why? Because mostly the market will go several pips before going back, several pips before going back, several pips before going back. Even here, or maybe here is very close, the market can still push higher before we can see any other sell-off. But the bigger picture here, I don't think maybe there is much that I can show you. There is nothing that I can maybe which is new. If maybe we see new things here, please go watch my previous videos. So here what I see is we are very close to our support, so we expect the market to push higher. You see, next week we expect the market to go up, or what we can expect is if maybe the market sell-offs, we still have this support here. We can just maybe think about selling if this support is broken. If it's not broken, don't do anything. Why? Because we only buy. Why? Because we use like a trends line strategy. So trend is our friend. So if the market is going up, which is uptrend, we only buy. If it's going down, we only sell. It's very simple, but you need some discipline to follow that. So if you don't have a discipline, you're going to think about selling here, selling somewhere here, then somewhere you're going to lose because you're not consistent on your strategy, you see. So on NASDAQ, on NASDAQ, I expect the market to push higher this week. If this doesn't happen, maybe we will see a breakout, or maybe we can see a lot of consolidation before we can see the market pushing higher or lower, you see. So let's go straight to US30 and see what we can get. So on Friday, the market was just going up, guys. The market was just going up. US30 gold and NASDAQ, all they were just going up. So here it's very nice on a 4-hour time frame. You can see what I've drawn here. So I thought, because I saw the market was just creating this kind of a move, and I saw if this is respected, maybe we'll see the market going lower, doing something like that. But that did not happen. That's why you saw the market broke this area, and now the market is exactly on our resistance. So it means we are on a very nice position or zone where we're going to just focus on here. We're going to focus here. So our focus should be here. So whether the market is going to respect this area, or maybe we will see a breakout, you see. If we see a breakout, it's nice, it's still fine. If we see a bearish momentum, it's still fine. We're going to take that sell, you see. But for the week, what do we see for the week? I think the market is really eager to break this area. I think the market really wants to break this area. We'll see. Maybe you can see the market was here a few days ago, then it's back again. I think the market will just break this area. If it's broken, we'll expect the market to push higher, you see. This is what I'm thinking, and maybe this will happen next week. If the market breaks here, we can expect the market to break this area maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow. Tomorrow, because it's Monday. So if this area is broken, we will be waiting for a nice retest. When I say retest, I mean the market has to break and come and respect that area again to show us that this was a very nice area or a very strong area, because when the market comes back to that area, the market won't break that again. So the market will just create a very nice zone there, and when the market trying to push up is where we're going to get our positions ready, something like this. So we can get our position here. When the market pushes up, we will be in the positions, and if it keeps going up, we'll also check that, you see. So I don't think maybe there's much that I will tell you here, but what do we expect? We expect the market to break the resistance. If not, it means this resistance will be respected. Don't confuse yourself and start to sell here or start to buy, right? Wait for the market to show you the road, then take that, you see. Don't just guess and say this and that. No, wait for the market to give you something. Even if sometimes you are wrong, but most of the time you're going to be most likely you're going to be on the right side, you see. So let's go straight to gold and see what we can expect from there. Okay, here is gold, guys. So this is also 4 hours. So I hope you still remember I talked about something like this here. I said this area, this zone seems to be a resistance, and it seems like this thing is really happening. this thing is really happening. You can see we have like several candlesticks playing around this zone. So the market is actually now consolidating. So it means for now you can just wait and see what will really happen, because if you sell, the market can just break this area. So when the market consolidates, actually it means that there is like 50-50. There is enough bearish and there is also enough bullish guys in the market. So everyone is willing to sell and is willing to buy. So it means the market will just go up and down. Everything is equal. So but be careful, don't when the market maybe pushes up, when the bullish pushes up, and maybe you were in the market on the wrong side, maybe you were selling just because you were just taking any position here, you can lose much. Why? Because mostly when the market breaks out of this consolidation or ranging market, the market will just go crazy. You see, I don't know if maybe the sellers or the bullish, they will just give up everything that they had in the market. Then the other pair which is winning, whether it's the other side which is winning, which will be like a bullish or bearish, they will just go crazy. If they break, mostly they just go crazy. Then the market will just create a very bigger or a very longer candlesticks. You see, so you see here, I don't think it's a very nice time to sell or to buy because of that. So wait for the market to give you a nice direction. Whether it's a breakout, then we're going to get that. If the market is going down again, we're going to get that. Why? And we also have that on a bigger time frame, since on the bigger time frame we saw a very nice sell and sell trend. Actually it's a sell trend, which is a downtrend. You can call it downtrend. You see the trend is actually heading down, so which means actually the market might still push lower, even if here the market can try. But I think the overall picture is the market can still push lower. Why? Because from here, from back here, the market is been just pushing lower and lower. You see, so I don't think maybe there is much that I will show you guys. As long as you can check my daily analysis tomorrow, I will just update you. Everything's back to normal. I have a robot. I will just update you on the system. There's a system that I'm going to offer, so we'll talk about that. Check my description, you will find my Telegram, you will find my contacts. Check my Telegram, you will find more info, because there's other things that I send on my Telegram, you see. So yeah, if you forgot to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, guys. Let's grow the channel. Thanks to everyone who always support the channel. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. So yeah, we will see what will happen tomorrow. So please apply your self-discipline, learn about self-discipline, apply your risk management. Then Forex is not easy, but at least if you apply those things they will be much better than before. You see. Thank you, guys. This is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. Bow.